Okay, hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to JFD Brokers Traders Tea Time with me, Darius Lamchauskas. Today's the 14th of March 2018. We're going to have a look at the markets, a few levels to watch out for. We do have a few minutes, we are just a few minutes away before the US market open. So of course, before we continue, let's have a read through our risk disclaimer here. So JFD Brokers offers exclusively consultancy-free services. The content of this webinar does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. So I'll just give you a few seconds to read the rest, and yeah, we can continue. Right, okay. So let's have a look at the charts. Now, we did just recently, about like half an hour ago, something like that, we had the US retail sales coming out. The number came out slightly disappointing at minus 0.1% against the 0.3% expected. So we are seeing some bad moves in the dollar right now, so it's some negativity coming into the dollar. Actually, I've got the German DAX here, but let's have a look at the USD CAD first. Now we can see that on this news, this is a 4-hour chart. We're seeing a bit of weakness. It's finding its support right now at this area right here. Now we do have this area as a potential breakout area. So if we're gonna get a move below this, maybe then this could get pushed lower. Not saying that from here it would roll over and just continue dropping. No, but it's just for just something that we're watching here for today. If we get a break below this, we could see maybe a continuation towards this 50 EMA here, shown as a red line on this chart. If this is going to hold and we're going to see a reversal, watch out for this area, 129,600. Now if we get a break above this, then this could get pushed towards the 130 mark. A very good psychological level for USD CAD that it has tested a few times in the recent past, I would say. So yeah, guys, I mean, we're still observing this one. We're still waiting for either a move to the upside or to the downside. We're watching these levels right here. So just to remind you again, on the bottom side here, we're looking at the 129,300, and on the upside here, 129,600. So keep a close eye on these ones. Let's have a look at the DAX, the chart that I had initially on when the video started. So this morning when we were discussing DAX, we said that it found its support here at around 12,160 area. So we're seeing this good bounce off of it, moving towards the 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart, and that's around the 12,320 area. We will have to reevaluate then, because if we'll just have to see if this is going to be enough for it to hold. If not, well, we might get a move back up towards the 12,400 and then maybe 12,460. Now the 12,460 level that we're watching here is quite important. We get a break above this, this would indicate that this index wants to continue pushing higher. We also have the 100 EMA approaching this level, so basically if we get a break above this area, then it would be like a double confirmation that it wants to continue going higher, maybe towards the 12,600. And if 12,600 doesn't hold, well, it's opening the path towards higher levels. But at the moment, of course, let's go step by step and just keep an eye on this area right here, this 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart, and that's around the 12,320 area. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. If we suddenly get a move back down, watch the 12,160. We get a break below, this could get lower again. A move towards the 12,000 could be possible. So yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, watch out for this area first. Maybe we'll get a rejection right here. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar balancing on this good level of support at around 123.650. So initially it was moving higher here on this 4-hour candle, but now the bears got in control again. We're seeing this that it's pushing it lower now, and we might hit this 200 EMA here together with the 50 EMA at around 123.500 area. Keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, because then we've got the 123.450 that we're watching here. If we get a move below this, this could actually not only break this level of support here, but also the support line that we upwards sloping support line. So a lot of, like I said, a lot of good levels to watch out here. Of course we need to watch and see how this 4-hour candle will close. Again, like I said, at the moment it seems that it wants to kind of push lower here. Well, actually, I mean, yeah, I mean, at the moment we're just seeing this negativity coming into the euro dollar. Still, we have the full US session to run, so this might go down, test this support line, and then maybe reverse back up and move towards this longer term, well, slightly longer term downwards moving trend line here that we had from 16th of February. So keep an eye on this area, guys. Let's have a look at the GBP USD. Again, similar story. It tried to push higher, tried to make a run towards the 140 area. Was about shy about like 8 pips from it, and now we're just seeing some more pressure coming into it, and the bears are taking control. It seems like that. We might get a push towards this trend line, this downwards moving trend line that we broke yesterday. We might get a test from above, and then of course all eyes on this area. If we suddenly see moves back coming below this trend line, basically coming back into the triangle, well, then, like I said, the upside is probably, well, could be off the table, to be honest, because of the weakness. So watch out for this, guys. I mean, watch out for this candle, watch out how it's going to form. Interesting levels. Still, like I said, we've got our 140 here. We need a break above this 140 in order to consider higher levels later on. At the moment it's struggling with that, so yeah, so now watch this area, this upper side of the downwards moving trend line. Okay, so let's have a look at the USD JPY quickly. So USD JPY still kind of trading nowhere a little bit, to be honest. It's yesterday we thought it's gonna go ahead and break nicely the 107. It did, but then it's still, the day closed below this. We can see that now it's trying to make it a push again to the upside here. On the daily we can see that it's being held here by the 21 EMA. I don't know if this is going to be a good resistance level for it. Maybe it still could push towards the 107, but then again, we'll just have to wait and see, guys. For now, like I said, for now it's not looking very strong. If we get a move suddenly back below this trend line that we recently broke, so yeah, it could get pushed towards the 105.550 again. And then maybe if we get a break below this, then we're looking for our round number of 105. But that's only, of course, if we get below this trend line again. At the moment, it's still maybe looking positive, let's say like that. Could get a push towards the 107, and if we'll definitely see a good close above the 107. We do have this 200 EMA here in the 4-hour chart, and then potentially the round number of 108 could be a good level as well. So keep an eye on this one, guys, as well. And one more that I really want to have a look at is the dollar Swiss. Now we do have some news coming out tomorrow from the Swiss bank, National Bank. So watch out for this one, and especially tomorrow. Now we're seeing that it's bouncing off the trend line. This upwards moving trend line that started on the 16th of February could continue pushing higher towards the 0.94900. If we get a break above the 0.94900, could get pushed towards this previous high that we had last week at around 0.95400. So keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, this could be, at the moment it is looking strong. It is moving higher, so could potentially see a test of this area first, the 0.94900. On the downside, of course, if we suddenly get a move back towards this trend line, and well, as you probably know now, so watch out for it, because if we get a break below this, this could indicate that this pair wants to continue. Well, doesn't want to continue, but wants to go higher actually. So keep an eye on this one, guys, as well. Okay, I hope you have a good US session. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Like I said, there are a lot of good levels to watch out for, especially, like I said, especially in the dollar CAD, because, like I said, it is in this little range here, waiting for a pop. Hopefully, it's going to happen today. It's not going to annoy us too much here, and then yeah, either to the upside or to the downside. So keep an eye on this little range here that is trading right now. Okay, guys. Once again, have a good US session, and I hope you make a lot of pips today. And as always, keep an eye on the price action. Thank you very much. Bye bye.